Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my lovely student. How are you today?
Morning.
Morning.
How are you today? Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay, good. Okay. Today we are going to continue our learning. Yeah, before we start our learning today, let's pray to our God. And please, Radit, lead your friend to pray together.
Before we study, let's pray together. Pray, please. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Radit. Thank you for joining this class today. You are a diligent student ya. Kalian adalah anak-anak yang rajin. And of course, you are a clever student. Kalian anak-anak yang pintar juga. Okay, I'm going to continue our material for today. And let me show the presentation. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, this is my presentation. Who knows about the picture? Siapa yang tahu gambar ini?
Pasar Sentral Kota Bumi.
Pasar Sentral Kota Bumi. Okay, good. Lulu, have you ever go there?
Yes.
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 Is it near? Is it near from your home? This is Pasar Sentral Kota Bumi ya, Central Market of Kota Bumi, Lampung Utara. Ya, this is near from our house, and we usually go there to buy something. Who still remember about our materialist meeting? Siapa yang ingat materi kita sebelumnya?
Things at home.
Things at home. Okay, good. Things at school. Okay, good. Things at home and thing at school. And now, how about our material for today? Can you guess our material for today? No. Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's check the video first.
Kali ini kita akan membahas materi yang cukup simpel ya untuk kelas 7 SMP, yaitu tentang public places. Nah, apa itu public places? Jadi dalam bahasa Indonesia, public places juga berarti tempat-tempat umum ya. Nah, berikut adalah beberapa vocabulary beserta gambar yang membahas mengenai public places. The first, hotel. Hotel artinya hotel juga, ya, hotel ya. Next, market. Market. Pasar. Market, pasar. Jadi ini adalah tempat bertemunya para penjual dan pembeli melakukan suatu transaksi. Di sana ada perpindahan uang, namanya pasar atau bahasa Inggrisnya adalah market. Nah, selanjutnya adalah park. Park, taman. Bahasa Inggrisnya adalah park. Ya, ini adalah tempat berkumpulnya orang-orang untuk bersantai ya. Biasanya kalau ada keluarga-keluarga, kalau di luar negeri itu sering ada tempat-tempat seperti ini banyak ya. Rata-rata kalau hari libur mereka mengajak keluarganya untuk bersantai ria sambil menggelar tikar, membawa makanan begitu. Park, taman. Next is cinema. Cinema, bioskop. Jadi ini kalau di Solo itu ada macam-macam ya, ada namanya bioskop di Solo Square, ada The Park, ada di Mana itu? Paragon, ada di Hartono Mall, ada di Solo Grand Mall, dan lain sebagainya. Cinema, bioskop. The next is school, sekolah. Nah, ini tempat para siswa untuk belajar ya, belajar, berinteraksi, bertemu dengan para teman, dengan cooperative learning, bertemu dengan para guru, saling bertukar pengetahuan. School, sekolah. Well, this is gas station atau pom bensin, atau sering juga disebut sebagai SPBU. Ya, this is the place for people to refill their gas atau bensin ya. Next is library. Library atau dalam bahasa Indonesia disebut juga sebagai perpustakaan. This is a place for people to be able to read some books, or they borrow some books from this place. Library, perpustakaan. Next is police station. Police station, kantor polisi. Ya, jadi ini adalah tempat, the place for the police to work in office. Ya, they usually have several different duty. Some of them are working in the field, some others work in office. Jadi ada yang bekerja di lapangan, ada yang bekerja di kantor. Kalau di kantor itu ada yang di bagian SIM, ada di bagian SKCK, dan lain sebagainya. Police station, kantor polisi. And then post office. Post office, kantor pos. Jadi this is the place for people to deliver their letter to some other people, probably friends or family. Post office, kantor pos. Well, this is temple, candi. Temple, candi. Well, Indonesia has so many temples. Yeah, start from the most famous, the most well-known temple is Borobudur Temple, and then following by Prambanan Temple, and also so many other temples in Indonesia. We have also Ratu Boko Temple, and also Candi Pawon, and etc. This is temple, candi.
Okay, yeah, from the video before, we have discussed about public place. Yeah, what is public place? Public place is a place that everyone can come based on the function of the place. For example, if we want to buy something, we can go to the market or supermarket, or we also call it mall. Yeah, the public place. The other public place, such as railway station, bus station, airport, harbor, post office, restaurant, hotel, bank, store, park, zoo, mosque, church, and many more. The public place have its functions, so you have to know about the function first before you will go there. Based on the video before, can you guess our material for today? Public
Yes.
place. Okay, good. Radit, Lulu, public place. Apa itu public place? Tempat
Tempat umum.
umum. Okay. I choose one of the public place. That is market. What is market?
Pasar.
Pasar. Okay, good.
Pasar.
Good.
Pasar.
Very good. Our learning objective in learning today, you are able to name objects in the environment that are close to your daily life by paying attention to social function, text structure, and language feature correctly and in context. I have some pictures. What pictures? Gambar apa itu?
Pasar.
Pasar. Okay. In English?
Market.
Market. Okay. Yeah. This is market. Yeah. How about this?
Mall.
Mall. Oh, mall. Okay, mall. Okay, mall or supermarket. Yeah. Usually we call it supermarket. This is market too. Ini juga market. Ini juga pasar. Ya. So, what the difference?
Tradisional sama modern.
Okay, good. Look, Lulu ya. Okay, good, very good. Traditional market and modern market. What we can find in the traditional market and modern market?
Bag.
Bag. Okay, you can buy a bag. Okay, good. And then
Chili.
chili,
Chicken.
chicken. And then tofu. Okay, good. Tofu. You know tofu? What is tofu in Indonesia? Apa itu bahasa
Tahu.
Indonesia? Tahu. Okay, good. Very good. And then,
Chili.
okay, chili. And then,
Fish.
fish,
Coconut.
coconut. And then,
Chicken.
chicken, vegetables,
Vegetable.
meat. Yeah. Okay, good. Very good. You are clever. Look at this. In traditional market and modern market, we can find vegetables, fruit, rice, meat, chicken, fish, herbs, sugar, salt, clothes, and kitchen tools, and many more, dan lain-lain. So, what the difference of traditional market and modern market?
Nggak bisa ditawar.
Nggak bisa ditawar. Okay, modern market is cannot negotiate ya. Tidak bisa ditawar. Good. In the traditional market,
Dirty.
dirty. Okay, good.
Bisa ditawar.
Traditional market bisa ditawar, tapi
Hot.
dirty, tapi kotor ya, agak kotor. Hot juga. Okay, good. Hot, dirty, and can negotiate, bisa ditawar. How about modern market? Cold. Okay.
Cold.
Okay. Ya, bersih, dingin. Okay, that's the difference. Okay. The difference of traditional market and modern market. I will show you the difference of traditional market and modern market. The first, in traditional market is not clean enough and hot. Jadi kadang ada beberapa traditional market that is not clean enough. But some traditional market is clean enough. Beberapa traditional market juga bersih, ada yang bersih ya. And then the second, we can find traditional food such as cendol, dawet ya. And then what next?
Kue putu.
Kue putu. Okay, good. Kue putu. Bakwan. Nah, the traditional food is more healthy atau healthier. That's the advantage of traditional food. Number 3, we can negotiate the price ya. Kita bisa menawar harganya tadi yang disebutkan tadi. And then number 4, we have to pay cash. We cannot use credit card or digital money. So we have to pay cash. If we want to buy something, we have to come because in traditional market they are not delivery ya, delivery service. Mereka tidak melayani pengiriman. And about modern market, the first is clean and cool because modern market indoor, so they use air conditioner. Number 2, we can find instant food or junk food. If we are in a hurry, you can eat instant food. Yeah, it's called junk food, but the junk food is not healthy enough. So I suggest you don't eat junk food every day. Number 3, we cannot negotiate. So we have to pay according to the written price. Number 4, we can pay by using credit card or using digital money. Today is so many digital money ya. Banyak sekali digital money atau uang digital seperti OVO, ya, GoPay, terus ada dana, and many more. Number 5, we can buy some product by online in some modern market. They give delivery service. Okay, who knows about these pictures?
Presiden.
Okay, our president. Good.
Jokowi.
Jokowi, yeah. Jokowi Dodo. Okay, this is our president. Now, imagine that you are a fruit seller and Mr. Jokowi wants to buy some fruit in your store. Mr. Jokowi asks you, where is apple? Katanya. Kata Pak Jokowi, di mana apple? Okay, what will you say?
That is apple.
That is apple. Good. This is
This apple.
apple. Good, good.
This is apple.
That is apple and this is apple. Okay, good. Very good. We are talking about that and this, but there are two more, this and those. Yeah. So that, this, this, and those. Let's check the pictures. There are 4 pictures. The first picture, the apple is just one. And this is close. So it's called this is an apple. Jadi disebutnya this is an apple. The apple is one and the distance is close. Okay, the second picture, gambar kedua. An apple it is also one. Apelnya juga cuma satu, but the distance is not close or far enough. Tapi jaraknya jauh, ya. You can touch it. Kamu tidak bisa menyentuhnya. So you say that is an apple. Okay? Can you get the difference? Bisa tahu ya bedanya ya antara gambar pertama dan kedua. Okay, good. And then the picture number 3, the third picture. There are 3 apples and the distance is close. Yeah, it's close enough. You can touch it. You say these are apple. And then the last picture, gambar terakhir. There are 3 apples too, but the distance is not close or far enough. So you say those are apples. Can you get it?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, from the pictures before, I will explain to you about this, that, this, and those. The difference about this and that is about the distance. Yeah, if the things is close and we can touch it, we say this. And if the things is not close and we cannot touch it, we say that. The things are just one thing. Okay, and it also about this and those. We say this if the things are close and those if the things are not close and the object are more than one. I have some quiz for you. Let's check. Okay, please choose your answer by choosing this, that, this, atau those. The first picture. The orange is just one. How about the distance? It's close or not?
Dekat.
Yeah, dekat. So, what the answer?
Yes.
This. Are you sure? Yakin. Okay. Let's check. Kita cek ya. This. Okay. You are good. You are right. And the second, it's also one orange, but the distance is not close. What the answer? What your answer? That. Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure. Yes. That is an orange. And the third, there are many orange and the distance is close. So what's your answer?
This.
This. This. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. This or this. The answer is this. Okay, good. You're right again. And the last, this is easy. Yeah. because just one choice. Those are orange. Okay, can you get it? Paham ya?
Yes.
Paham. Okay, good. Let's continue our material. Do you know about this picture?
Yes.
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 What picture? What picture? Gambar apa itu? Ramayana.
Ramayana.
Ramayana Kota Bumi. Okay. Have you ever go there?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
No. Oh, you never go there. Tell me about the first floor of Ramayana Kota Bumi. What are there?
HP.
Okay. Toko HP. Okay, good. You can see mobile phone store. Ya, mobile phone store, toko HP. And then
Cosmetic.
cosmetic. Okay, cosmetic store. And
Laptop.
one more, laptop
Store.
store. Good. Laptop. You are right. You are clever. There are mobile phone store, laptop store, and cosmetic store in the first floor in Ramayana Kota Bumi. Okay, this is the first floor of Ramayana Kota Bumi. There mobile phone store in the center. In the right side, there is computer store, and in the left side is cosmetic store. I will ask you, where is Xiaomi store?
Center of Advanced and
Center of Advan and Vivo. Okay,
Di
you are
belakang.
good. You are good, yeah.
Belakang.
You are right. Center of Advan and Vivo, but but better you say between of Advan and Vivo. Okay, good. Yeah, Xiaomi store is between Vivo and Advan store. And then
Di belakang Samsung.
belakang Samsung. Okay, you can say behind of Samsung store. Ya, di belakang itu behind. Okay, good. Ya, and then where is makeover store? Makeover store. Samping Pons. Okay, samping Pons. You can say beside, ya, beside of Pons store, di samping toko Pons. Ya, okay, good. And then how about Apple store? Where is it?
Beside Samsung.
Okay, beside Samsung. Good. Beside Samsung store. Behind Advan. Good. Okay, good. Very good. And then
in front my
in front of Maybelline store. Okay, good. Very good. Yeah. Okay. From the illustration before, we have learned about preposition. Beside in Indonesia is di samping. There are right side, samping kanan, and left side, samping kiri. Between is di antara, behind di belakang, and in front of di depan. Okay, get it? Paham?
Yes.
Okay, yes, good, good, very good. I have some quiz for you. Saya punya quiz lagi nih. Okay, we have to guess the positions. The first, where is Rudy's home? Rudy's home. Okay. Can you see Rudy's home? Bisa dilihat ya Rudy home ya? Rumahnya
Yes.
Rudy. Yes. Okay. Where is Rudy's home?
in front of warung pojok.
In front of warung pojok. Okay, Lulu. Good. Very good. In front of warung pojok. And then beside beside Ninda's home. Okay. Di samping rumahnya Ninda. Okay, good, very good. And then the second, where is Dadan's home? Dadan. Nih, rumahnya Dadan.
Between warung pojok.
Good. Between warung pojok and mosque. Ya, antara warung pojok dan masjid. Okay, good, very good. And then
Is in front of Nanda.
Okay, in front of Ninda's home. Ya, in front of Ninda. Di depan rumahnya Ninda. And then in front of Aris home. Okay, good. Radit, good. In front of Aris home. Jadi rumah di depan rumah Ari. Ya. Okay. The number 3. Where is warung pojok?
In
In
front
front
of
Rudy.
Rodi.
In front of Rudy's. Okay, good. In front of Rudy's home. And then
Dada.
Beside the
beside. Okay, beside Dadan's home. Good, good. Very good. You are clever. Beside Dadan's home. And number 4, where is Mosh? Okay.
Beside
Dadan home.
Beside Dadan's home. Okay. Good.
in front of
In front
Wahid.
of
Okay. In front of Wahid's home. Okay, good. Okay, number 5, where is football field?
behind most.
Okay, behind Mos. Okay, good. Behind Mos. Di belakang masjid.
Arif.
Beside Aris home. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Get it ya? Understand ya about this material?
Yes.
Okay, good, good, good. Okay, I ask you, what we have studied today?
Public place.
Public place. Good.
Market.
Market. Okay, public place. Market. And then,
Traditional market.
okay, traditional market.
Modern
Modern market. Okay. And then
This.
that,
Yes.
this,
Those.
those. Okay, good, good. And then ada lagi?
Beside.
Beside, behind,
Front.
in front of, between. Okay, good, good, good. We have studied about public place, and one of public place is market. We have studied about market, traditional market and modern market ya. Kita telah mempelajari pasar tradisional dan pasar modern. And also we have studied about this, that, this, and those. And we have studied about preposition behind, beside, in front of, and between. Okay, good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is our material for today. We have studied about public place and once of public place, that is market. There are two kind of market, traditional market and modern market. Yeah.
Yes.
And then do you find any difficult in our learning today?
No. No, sir.
No? Are you sure? No? Yakin
No.
tidak?
No.
Yakin tidak ada?
Yes.
Okay. Good.
No.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, this is your assignment. Yeah, please make a location plan of your home based on your environment. Draw it and then take the photo by using your mobile camera. Send it to Google Form and answer the questions based on your picture. Don't forget to tell your name and class. I will send the Google Form link at our WhatsApp group based on the example ya, sesuai seperti gambar, seperti contoh yang tadi. Okay, this is our material for today, and don't forget to do your task. Yeah, this is our last meeting in this semester, and in the next week you will face the examination. So don't forget to study at home, and don't forget to do your task and send it to Google Form. Okay, thank you. Before we close our material for today, let's pray to our God. Yeah, Radit, please lead your friend to pray together.
Before we close our study, let's pray together. Pray, please. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Radit. You are clever boy. Thank you, Mayang, Lulu, ya, Enggal, Eva, Rani, Indra, Vicky. You are a clever student. You are a diligent student. Yeah. Thank you for joining this class for today. I close this learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.